I'm glad you're here. I'm Mr. Paul. This is my place. Today I have a story and a song called The Ugly Duckling. It was written by a man named Hans Christian Andersen, and I got the song from a movie with the same title. Danny Kaye originally sang it. It goes like this. There once was an ugly duckling, its feathers all stubby and brown, and the other birds in so many words said, "Get out of town, get out, get out, get out of town." So we went with a quack and a waddle and a quack and a very unhappy frown. That poor little ugly duckling went wandering far and near, but at every place they said to his face, "Get out of here, get out, get out, get out of here." So we went with a quack and a waddle and a quack and a very unhappy tear. All through the winter time he hid himself away, ashamed to show his face, afraid of what others might say. All through the winter in his lonely clump of weeds, until a flock of swans saw him there and very soon agreed, "You're a very fine swan indeed." "Me? A swan?" Go on. "Oh, yes, you're a swan. Take a look at yourself in the lake. You'll see." So we went to the lake, and he looked, and he saw, and he said, What? It's me! I am a swan! Whee! Not such an ugly duckling, no feathers all stubby and brown, and the other birds in so many words said, "The best in town, the best, the best, the best in town." Not a quack, not a quack, not a waddle or a quack, but a glide and a whistle and a snowy white back, and a head so noble and high. Say, who's an ugly duckling? Not I, or you, or me, or Fluffy, or anybody really. We're all beautiful. See you next time.